Good morning, everybody. My name is Jeff White here at World Class Guarantee RV. It is a Wednesday morning here in February. It's kind of cold out. I'm here to show you this 3310 QSCK quad bunk Big Country. So first thing you notice, it has a nice tight turning radius up here, nice big fiberglass cap, huge storage area underneath here. If you want to get a generator from us, you can. Battery storage area, nice solar hookup, lights so you can adjust the auto leveling system in the dark if you'd like. Right here is a button to help you with that if you'd like. Or over here is a propane tank. They come full from us when you purchase. You can see the auto leveling jack right there. Here is a nice big storage area. Put lots of totes in there. And then up to the left is the auto leveling button. Just push that and it automatically levels the jacks out. Central water station, gray tank, outside shower, everything right there ready to go. Battery disconnect. Back of the water heater. Here's another one of the auto jacks. Huge slide out, and then you'll notice there's a slide within the slide in the master bedroom. When we get inside, I'll show you the nice room and space you have in there for that. Frameless windows. On the back side here we have a nice big ladder. You can crawl up on top. That ladder's rated about 250 pounds. Big back window. It's got a nice big refrigerator for your outside kitchen area. Look at all that stuff. How much beer can you put in that bad boy? How much mix can you put in there for drinks while you're sitting out here? Nice cabinet and a sink with a plug-in, so you can get that blender fired up, ready to go. Outdoor marine grade speakers. Once again, the frameless windows. One thing I suggest if you buy this from us is, when you buy this from us is you get a slide topper. Helps a lot, you guys. Here's the other side of the basement, the storage area in the basement, and propane tank. Remember, both of those are full when you purchase from us. 2 new batteries. Okay, let's go inside and check this bad boy out. Got a little outdoor plug-in right there when the awning's out. Okay, first thing you're going to notice when you walk in here is the big back window. And I'm going to shut this door. See how quiet it is? We had all that road noise outside. We got Highway 99 right there. And if I just shut up, it gets really quiet. Nice big couch back here. Sofa, so you can lay on there and sleep if you'd like. The big window, side windows, lots and lots of storage. Real wood, reclining sofa, reclining chairs here. Once your unit is plugged into power, you have massagers, heat, ready to go. You just recline back, the chairs recline out manually, slowly. Here we have a great big TV lined up perfectly with the recliners, so you can just kick back. Your head, your neck doesn't get in a pinch. Fireplace, they actually put out heat. Right above Jim there you have a ceiling fan. And take a look while he's up on the ceiling. This nice ceiling fixture with the lights hanging down and all the woodwork that's up on the ceiling, the Crawford ceiling. Nice table and chairs. There's two more chairs. Table pulls apart, expands. Lots of windows at the table. Nice light. Over here we have a huge Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Damn, that's a lot of room. That's like 2 weeks worth of camping. Huh. Okay. Stainless steel microwave. Stainless steel cooktop. Nice heavy duty grate iron here. And a nice big stainless steel oven. Now that's one of the biggest ovens I've seen in a fifth wheel. Very, very nice. And this is 3 burners lined up in a row, so you can put a pan on there if you wanted to. Look how big the sink is. Big stainless steel sink. Small one, but look how big that one is. Nice and deep. Nice stainless steel faucet. Pantry right here. Lots of storage space, really deep. Remember, real wood. Look at all the shelves there. Mama will love going shopping and filling that bad boy up. More storage here. Drawers that she's looking for to put, well, if we can get it open. Get all the silverware in there. 3 banks there, lots of storage underneath the sink. More drawer banks there. Over here, this is what I really like. Where we live in Oregon, coat closet. Hang your wet coats up, let them air out and dry. Nice big window in the door so you get more light coming in. All the controls in one easy spot. Ready to go. Makes it simple. Got a fantastic fan up there. Let's go up to the bedroom, you guys. Okay. This bed runs north and south. Big bed, lots of room around it. A tiny little step up there. Windows on each side. Nice padded headboard. But look how much room is around this thing right here. Tons of room. You can get dressed really easy in here. I'm a big guy. I'm 300 pounds. Look how much room I got in here. It's almost amazing. Washer dryer hookup. Actually have room to get in and out of the washer dryer. Easily accessible, even for me. I mean, I can even fit in here. Pretty amazing. That's huge. Nice drawer bank here with drawers. Really deep birch drawers, stainless steel guides, big TV. This thing has air conditioning unit inside of it. It's all ducted, all ready to go. Remember when I told you outside we had that double slide, that super slide? This is how this makes it so much bigger in here. That extra slide. Here we have pocket doors, glass pocket doors, lots of storage space inside there. I better hook that back up. Let's just see what's on this side. That's what I was hoping for. You got a nice vacuum cleaner. And you got storage in the back of the closet where you can put books, shoes, whatever you'd like to. This is one of our nicer units, folks. Okay, let's go back on outside. Nice little storage area here. If you sleep like a CPAP machine like I do, you set that bad boy right there. There's a plug in there. And here's the bathroom on our way out. Plenty of room around the stool. Nice big shower, sink, cabinetry, storage area. Absolutely lots of space. This has got lots of room. Rear living, but you can just picture sitting there on the beach, watching the whales go by, sitting back watching TV too, or having a cup of coffee. Okay, let's go back outside, you guys. Remember, it's got a nice grab rail right here, so it's easy to be safe going in and out. Plus this grab rail right here. So if you're a little unsure of footing like I am, plus it's got 4 big steps, makes it really, really easy. Folks, if you'd like to take a look at this big country, please give me a call. My name is Jeff White at Guarantee. Give me a phone call, 541-671-1840, or shoot me an email or a text, jeff.white@guarantee.com. Thanks for taking time out to watch. Give me a call, text, email me, whatever you'd like to do. Have a great day. Thanks.